Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today's book is Animals in the Park, an ABC book by Bob Barner. A. Alligator can act. B. Bear can balance. C. Cat can count. D. Dog can dance. E. Elephant can enter. F. Fox can follow. G. Goat can giggle. H. Hippopotamus can hop. I. Iguana can imagine. J. Jaguar can juggle. K. Kangaroo can kick. L. Lion can leap. M. Monkey can march. N. Newt can nibble. O. Octopus can observe. P. Panda can pull. Q. Quail can question. R. Rabbit can race. S. Sail can sail. T. Tiger can tug. U. Umbrella bird can uncover. V. Vole can visit. W. Walrus can waddle. X. X-ray fish can examine. Y. Yak can yell. Z. Zebra can zigzag. Animals play all night. They act, dance, and hop. But now that it is light, watch them as they stop. Now we're going to sing our ABC song. Sing along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know mine ABCs. Next time, won't you join with me? All right, friends, that was wonderful. That's our story for today. Animals in the Park, an ABC book by Bob Barner. See you next time.